Alright, I am under the miata. Let me show you what we got. We got one joint here, so I gotta look and see what the O-ring is on this one. Then we have another one here, and we have two more on each line here. This is the biggest one. This is, I believe, a 24. Let me see. Yeah, that's the big one is a 24, and the small one is a 20. What was it? I think that's a 19. No, not 19. 21. So, no, not a 21. It's a 22. So that's a 22 and a 24. Same as this one. This one's, I believe, a 17 right here. And a 19 right here. So I'm gonna put you guys down. I don't know if it'll grab this, but I need both hands because we need to, let's see, take this one up. So I need to hold that and go this way. Oh, that wasn't very tight either, so as we can see, it wasn't very tight. Now, is there an O-ring in here? Yes, there is. It's right there. Stuck over here. So let me get that out. There we go. Come on, buddy. I need to get you changed. There it is. So it's a very small one, but it has to fit in here as well. So get that changed. Well, that's what that looks like. So you do want to make sure you change these joints as well. So let me get that. So as you can see, this is the smallest one I got. That one would be the next one up, the bigger one, which is the 6.07 by 1.78. So we'll do that. So the small one's too small. Then should be the next one up. Yep, looks like it. So we'll go with that. Just keep going here. Just a couple of drops. Get that in there. This. Don't get dirty. And let's get it up here. Let's see. Oh, come on. So you're sitting in that. But before I even put it on there, let me put it on here and make sure it fits correctly, because sometimes they don't. So that one does fit. So I can just put this on, I think. No, I can't. So let me get it out so I can stick it on there. There we go. Make sure it's on there. And now we can be sure that it's not ripped or anything. Put a little more oil on there. Alright. So now we can go back there. And where's my napkin? So that's done. Let's get that closed. It's no big deal, but there are quite a few O-rings. So we'll get back down here. And at least I know that they're all done. And they're nice and snug. That's good now. I don't want to crush it, but I want to make sure it's on there. Alright, that one's done. Let's go to the next one that's closer here. Take your keys out of the pocket. They're not making any noise. Now, I think that one's a 22 and a 21. 24, I think. 24, 22, 24 and 22. Alright. So, let's see what comes out on this one. I think it's going to be this side here. Yep. So, hold it. With the 22. This. I'm going to do it with the 24. There we go. I think it's done. Should clean it because there's quite a bit of dirt in here. Okay, there we go. Ow. That hurts. Get your finger caught in there. Alright, so we have one here. A bigger one here, so it's barely moved. Alright, it's a little bit of oil, so that's good, it's clean. So just see, it just comes out of that. So it's easy to move. This one is kind of can't, is it? No, it's just me taking it out. So there we go, that's the next one. Alright, so that one looks like one of these. Shh, quiet. It's my neighbor's dog. Yeah, that looks like that might be it, which is 10.82 by 1.87. So we're gonna go with that one because the next one's gonna be too big. Yep, too big. So far we're doing good. I do have them. Okay, this is getting dirty. Clean it. I coat it. Alright. Let's see here. Let's get this on. Alright. Nice. That fits perfect. Alright, let's screw this on. See if I push it, it's right on, so we're good. This one's a little tight because you got this plastic here, but it's doable. Not the end of the world. Oh, yeah. Let me tighten that. Okay, 22 on the small one. 24 here. Alright. You know, awkward, but doable. Okay. I believe that it's done. nice. Yep, that's not going anywhere. Okay. So 2 down, 2 to go. Over here. This one is same size. Yep. So 22 holds it. And 24 grabs the other one. Okay, got too far. Try this way. There we go. That's pretty easy. Easy peasy. And I'm purposely leaving the big one for last because I'm not sure if I'm gonna need a, well, might need a different thing to hold it here, or pliers, I mean. Alright, so now what? There we go. They do move. This looks like the same size. This one is definitely flat. Oh, look at that. I found the bolt that goes over there. I knew I'd put it away somewhere. I didn't lose it. I just don't remember where it was. So we'll get that done. Alright. Alright, let's get this on here. Get the O-ring. And there it is. O-ring on there. We can move this out of the way, and then we can just move that pipe over. And it's done. So, oh, nice. Nice. Okay, let's get that. Nope, wrong one. 21 and 24. Okay, 21, 24. Now we're going this way. Over. Okay, done. Okay, we got one more. This one's the biggest one. It's going to be a, what is this? Is this 24? 22. This is 22, so no, that's 24. So I can hold it, but I think I have a big, this one looks like a 20, this is 26 because I have a 25 here. So that's not going to work. I need something else to open it up. My oil. Alright, so I need to go get something for that one. I'm gonna have to stop the video here for now. I'll continue it on another one. Alright, I got this one. This is the biggest one I got, so this is gonna have to do. Number 24. Let me see here. I don't know where I can put these guys. I'll put you there for now. I don't know if you'll catch it, but let me see. I want to go this way because I'm gonna take it off. Oh wow. This thing isn't even very tight, so that's a good thing. So that's why you want to check these, because look, it wasn't even very tight. So that's a very good thing, because then I can change it without a problem. Doing that before I pop it out. So that's why you want to check this, since they haven't been touched forever. You're gonna be losing your whatchamacallit. You're gonna be losing your Freon, even if everything else is new, because this thing's haven't been touched in like forever. There we go. Just need to get it out of the way. Just enough to get the out. So is this same size? Let's see. Okay, that one is definitely bigger than the ones I just took out, obviously. Come on. Alright, so this is going to be the next one up. Yes, there it is. So that would be 14 by 1.78. If I'm reading this right. Yep, because this is the big one, 26. So yeah, that's what it is, 14 by 1.78. And they're that's the right one. Let me see. Just want to see if they're the same thickness. About, it's a little flatter, but yeah, it's exactly the right one. Yep, let's keep going. Alright. You know what? I can just put it in there and then put this on there. Cover it. Genius. Alright. Let's get this on. Ow. There's my finger. But it's perfect. There you go. Nice. Should go in there. Nice and smooth. Sorry, now I'm blocking, but that's one more here. Okay. Snug this baby down. Doesn't really need that much, but it definitely has to be snug because it wasn't even that snug. Oh, just watch the radiator there. Let's get the other side here, just a little bit. I want to make sure nothing leaks. Oh yeah. Now they're all nice and snug. So that's beautiful. So where does this go? Oh, that just sits there. Okay, so got that one snug, that one snug, that one snug, that one snug. So you got 4 joints. You need to change the O-rings on the bottom. Missing a screw here, I guess, but that's okay. So those are the 4 O-rings underneath your 91 Miata. So I'm just gonna end this video here for this side, because the next thing is the one I wasn't sure I was gonna do, the inside of the car. I know there's another little O-ring on the valve, but that's just gonna take more time, so I'm gonna do another video for that one. So there you go. I forget to change this for O-rings on the bottom. So far I got all the O-rings on the bottom, the compressor up top here. I got the dryer up top. I might have to redo that again if I'm taking the box out. And then I got the valves, and it's getting there. Just a quick update on that, because you had to open that bracket. Getting that bolt in there, it's going to be pretty hard, so I'm just going to use a wire tie to bring them close together and just do it that way, because you have to have it close together in order for it to screw on, but you can only get one hand in here, so the wire tie helps. Get it. I think that might be close enough. Let's see. Screw it on. So you gotta do it from the back side. And it's still not quite enough. Let me get you in there. I don't know if you can see that. So let me see if I can squeeze it more, or is that just gonna be fatter than the other one? Okay. I'm pulling on it as far as I can. Maybe I should have gone longer. Alright, so if you're gonna do this, get the longest wire tie you got. These are like 8 inches, but I didn't realize that until now. Gotta use the longer ones I got. Super duper long ones. Let's see. Can I screw this thing on here? Kinda looks like it's getting there. Not quite. Try to squeeze it together with the pliers, just so I can bend them a little bit together. Alright. So let's see. Okay, should be able to screw that on now. I think. Nope. Still not quite enough. Well, it's on there, but it's crooked. Okay, that's a pain. I think I got a little more on that. Let me see. Okay. Actually grabbed, surprisingly. There should be a 10. See if I can make it go in there. Maybe I got it. I don't know. Did it? I don't know. Can't tell. Screw it on with my finger. Barely. But I think I got it. Oh, look at that. I got it. Let's see. Is that good enough? I think that's tight enough. Let me see. Alright, I'm not gonna go too crazy on it. But yeah, let's get holding it. I think I can just leave that wire tie off. But there you go, it's done.